Tomatoes are a really healthy ingredient that I use all year round in my house. I want to show you a really cool 1-minute peeling technique that I learned in culinary school. All you have to do is blanch and then shuck the tomatoes so that you can release the skins really easily for peeling. So when you are selecting tomatoes, you want to make sure that they are firm and not mushy and have a nice shiny surface. Because if they're too mushy, then it's going to fall apart when you put them into the hot blanching water. The first step is to make a 1-inch crisscross cut on the bottom of the tomato. This is going to allow the skin to be easily peeled once it's blanched. The next step is to fill a pot with water, enough to submerge the tomatoes completely, and then bring the water to a rapid boil. It's just about perfect right now, so just be really careful. You add the tomato. The tomato is going to blanch for about 20 seconds until the skin separates from the flesh. The skin is just starting to remove from the flesh where I scored it, so it's perfect time to remove the tomato. Okay, the last step is to add it to ice cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the tomato from becoming mushy. Once the tomato is cooled, is to start peeling. So where I scored the tomato, I'm going to just use my fingertips to slowly peel the tomato skin away from the flesh. See how nicely it comes off? And just work your way around the tomato to remove the rest of the peel. Now that you've seen how easy it is to peel a tomato, you can use it in a lot of different ways. The benefit of peeling the tomato is that it creates really smooth and creamy sauces and soups, as well as nice and chunky sauces for pastas. If you haven't tried this method before, I'd love to know what you think and how it works for you.